was your question?
Here
What's
we go. Hello, everybody. There was said something about dependencies, something.
Mhm.
And then I push buttons.
And it
I don't
just
know.
worked, or it's not working.
It's not. I'll
Okay.
figure it out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, mate, you're starting with Godot, with game dev journey with Godot. What's my best tip to learn how to code properly? Just make shit. To be honest with you.
I don't code properly.
Yeah, he doesn't. I do. Sometimes.
Alright, bro.
Sometimes. So my suggestion. Let me answer this question real quick. So my suggestion is just make random things, because what you'll end up finding is you'll go with the easy solution or the solution that makes sense to you, and then you will find out what the issues with that solution are, and so you can kind of avoid them the next time. So just make really, really small projects and kind of just go with your gut feeling and look up only the next step that you need. That's my suggestion. All right, what's up with you, JW?
I think I figured it out. It's loading the wrong scene. I think it's loading an old version that I made. Because I made the one that has like the... I might have to remake it. It might have broke itself. Let me close, yeah. Oops.
Straight up breaking it. What's up?
I don't know.
Brother, are you okay? It sounds like you're on the verge of tears.
No, I just suck. I don't know what's going on.
It sounds like you're about to start fucking
last
crying,
time.
man.
It worked last time. And then now it's not working. We're gonna try opening this anyways. This.
So, can you open up the output window at the bottom? So what does it say? So go ahead and just, where it says the first line that says error, past whatever that file name is that ends in CPP.
Yeah.
Can you read what that says? I don't know what it says.
Oh, wait. This here?
So after that,
what does
it say?
After this, parse error, busy resource file, sole projector ability.tscn 10.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to, up at the top, sole projector ability, you're going to right click, and you're going to show in file system. You're going to right click that. You're going to open that in external program. It's at the bottom. There you go. That should open up in Visual Studio Code, or just choose Visual Studio Code. And then, do you remember the line that it said it was on?
10.
Okay, so 10 is...
Oh, okay. This...
What's the problem? I don't know what it says.
This is the throne, because for some reason this is the old thing. So this is the thrown object. So I think it's just that this is like not defined properly or something.
That's also a resource.
Yeah, which is should not be.
So I guess a packed scene is a resource.
Just just like fix it, get rid of that.
I imagine so.
But now I don't know where the actual one that works went.
Well then,
Control
P, I'd imagine, for sole projector ability, or whatever you would call it.
Yeah, I think it might have just gotten killed. I don't know how. This is it here, but this isn't it. This is the weird thrown ability thing.
Yeah. So what was the other one called? And where was it?
I think it was like the same. I like renamed. I don't know what it was called. I think I think I might have also called it sole projector ability, and I thought I deleted this one. Is this the script for it right here? Yeah, this is the script for it here. It's just the scene.
Did you delete it today or did you delete it last stream?
I didn't delete it. I never deleted it.
No, you said I thought I deleted
the old one. Yeah, last time. Last stream.
Last time? Okay.
I thought.
Okay.
I guess I'll just remake it. So you,
I'm trying to think if
we're
there
going
would
to
be anywhere else
delete
there'd
you
be.
because you're the old one.
So I wanted to do something potentially useful today. So JW pointed out something over the last couple streams, which was the equipment system is like kind of shit to use from a.
Oh, did you? Oh, you
Anyone
did
but
invite
me.
me to stream together. Sorry, I like wasn't paying attention at all.
That's okay.
Oh, also, anybody for watching my stream, let me know how my mic sounds. I pretty much entirely redid every single setting on the mic, so it might be loud, it might be quiet, and hopefully it sounds okay.
Did you try recording it and then like listening back?
Yeah,
to it?
I did, but like, there's a difference between me just saying like random words and me actually streaming.
Yeah, I was gonna say you could have also just like done like a fake live on your channel, like unlisted or whatever.
Hey, I could, yeah. That's like a lot of work though.
So,
How
do I want to handle this?
But theoretically, it should sound good because I added a bunch of things that make it better or whatever.
So
Audio
jungle.
Hmm?
Audio jungle. Don't worry about it. It's a reference you won't get.
Okay. Is that like a SpongeBob thing?
No, it's a Germa thing. I understand why it could be like a SpongeBob thing because like you never watched SpongeBob as a kid.
Yeah. No, I genuinely don't know where it went. It just got killed.
She got murdered.
Yeah.
Murder.
What
murder?
So we'll delete that.
Right, what does this give me?
Save.
I've counted classrooms.
Make a new scene.
What? The fuck?
I'm trying to remember how I had this laid out. Pretty sure it was a rigid body, right? Yeah. To entirely remake the cool gradient thing. Grr. Oh yeah, you wanted to do the thing with the like light occluders or whatever.
Yeah, I'll worry about that later.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's a fun shader thing, but I won't do it now.
Yeah.
Just because I want to take care of this thing so that by whenever you'd be able to use, you'd be able to write whatever code you want.
Yeah.
This being a pack scene is like kind of cool, but also kind of bad. It's not actually bad in the slightest, but is there a chance I could get?
Nope, I don't want that. Collision shaped 2D.
Hello hoopty doopty. How you doing?
Hello hoopty doopty. Oh, I also changed my mic position, so now it's above me instead of like in front of me. Which is like decent. Either way, it's like blocking half of one of my screens, which is annoying, but like I have 3 of them, so it's okay. I'll just be blind.
Why doesn't that? This is a con.
The things I do for my chat to have a good experience, you know?
15. Sorry, am I stupid? Is it not? Oh, it's just that get state. Oops. I am stupid. At least I'm not dumb.
I'm dumb. What is this called? Soul projector.
So Steam State has access to this. Connection binds, connection counts, connection methods. Great. Nodes. Property count. I don't know what that means, but okay. Get node property count. So for each node in there. Oh. Huh. I wonder, could I get the... Is the top level node guaranteed to be the first item? Connection source. Node index. Yeah, node count. I'm gonna... What if I just looped through all of the nodes inside of this? So this is a packed scene. I can do get scene state. Get, I guess node path would be fine. What is for parent? For parent is true. Returns the path of the index node to parent instead. That's makes no fucking sense, but alright, whatever. I don't know why that would be there. Var scene state. State is a scene state. Do you have intelligence? You do. Okay, for I in get node count. And scene state of get node name. Sure. So let's first start with what I would expect this to look like. I would expect this to have all of these nodes. I would imagine that it would go in maybe this order where it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know though, so I guess we'll find out. Money drop visuals, animated spray, collision shape. Okay, so it is just like top to down, top to bottom. Dope, which means that the first one is guaranteed to top to down, yeah. So does that mean that if I were to scene state get node property count index is 0? How many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I would imagine this would say 11. It says 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. That's weird, but I guess. Print I, or not print I. Get node property name for node 0 index I. Oh shit, this is only the things that have been edited. Okay, that's slightly annoying. Fuck. Scene state get. Does this only returns the number of exported or overridden properties? Prop index argument used to query node property data and other get node property methods. Sure. I don't know what the fuck that means, but alright. So, let me clear this really quickly. So I noticed how it's not including this, which is a little annoying.
I think that might be everything I need. And maybe it'll work now. Perchance.
Sorry, sorry to bother you here. Do you mind sending me a message on Discord sometime? Old account was banned on your server because there's... Are you? Oh, you are Aaron. Okay, I see. Yeah, sure. I remember that happening. I was there for that. Or, well, you could just send me a message on Discord if you want. You know the username. It's Bitlytic. My DMs should be open to messages.
Bitlytic.
At Bitlytic.
Unban me, please.
No.
It's been 12 years.
I don't care how many years it's been. You're
this guy hates me.
Loser.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Or INC.
Like the new Tame Impala song?
Oh, dude, that's... Wow. That's so... Wow.
That's
so
actually
cool.
the second newest Tame Impala song.
Whoa, that's so cool.
The newest one's even better.
Hey, dude.
What? Wait, what? What?
Dude, he's making me angry.
Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. It like almost worked. I forgot to like put on the right layer.
Ah.
So it just
did it like fall through the ground?
Yeah, it collided with the layer and then it fell through the ground. Why? Oh, there we go. So we want to detect 5 and 6. There we go.
I don't understand.
So I genuinely don't know why it got like deleted. Maybe I forgot to save and then close the project. But like I don't think I would have done that. That seems weird.
Also wouldn't have deleted it if you just didn't close the project, because if you ever run the project, it puts it in game. It like saves it for you.
That's really weird. Then I don't know what happened. But hey, look, we have it back.
Hello.
Oh yeah, and I also need to fix the thing where it. Hello, average Godot enjoyer. How are you doing?
It's a wonderful Thursday evening, isn't it?
Oh, I also need to set it to add because add looks better. What else was there? I need to fix the thing where it teleports between rooms.
Oh yeah.
But that shouldn't be hard.
The problem with that is that it's a child of the player, right?
Yeah, because somebody got rid of
making it a child of the player is actually like detrimental as fuck. It should definitely just be a thing in the level.
Yes. Yes. If only there was like a knight's toggle on the card to let me switch if I wanted to be added to the player of the level.
Damn, bro, if only that code before was workable. Nah, yeah, I do need to add that back though. I want to add some more simple utilities so you can just like spawn shit in.
Yeah. So, I could just wait for that, or I could also, just make another scene that is added to the player that spawns the thing in the world, but that would be kind of like weird.
You could do that. You could also have this thing just reparent itself to the world.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to get the current room in a way that doesn't rely on root node, you can do level manager dot current room, I think, will return a node that can be reparented to. You're gonna have to call deferred that, but yeah.
Oh, wait, how do I call defer?
Reparent dot call deferred.
Oh, okay.
So that should, regardless of whether or not you're actually like in a room or not, that should be like an agnostic way of getting the node to add it to. Fuck. So this doesn't contain all of the exported properties, which is like kind of annoying as fuck, considering the documentation literally says returns number of exported or overridden properties for the node at index.
Okay, that was easy.
Maybe.
Wait, why is this? Oh wait, I was confused. I was like, why is it giving me multiple? And it's like, it keeps drawing them.
Yeah. Is there any date or version for Godot that you say do not follow a tutorial that old? Yeah. Anything in Godot 3.x, so like 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, anything, so long as it starts as 3 point, you will likely not get the information you want, just because so much of GDScript has changed and so much of the engine has changed. You could still watch it, and you could adapt the code yourself, but I would say generally we have tutorials in Godot 4 for anything that Godot 4 specifically needs.
Oh, that's funny. Apparently these stack. I guess
like the amount?
Stack, yeah. So I use it a bunch, they go right back up.
I don't understand the number of exported or overridden properties. You're just lying to me is the problem.
That's
like
awkward.
You're just lying to me. Return to pack scene from node at index. The whole branch starting at this node. What the fuck are you saying? Oh, I know what you're saying. Never mind. That's like kind of annoying, to be honest. I really wish, like, if I were to change this to like a 2 and then save it and then hit this button, it now shows up, right? No, actually. Refresh. Let's find out. Now it does. Okay, that's annoying because I wish I wish it would show all of the exported properties, but it doesn't. It should. Can you get a? I can get a script, right? Maybe, mayhaps.
Chance.
Or wait, what are you? Oh, because I'm always passing. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I, comma, J. What I wanted to do.
Hmm.
Oh shit, we're pissed. We're very pissed. Very, very pissed. Oh, because of this. Yeah, there's nothing there that I couldn't just get from existing. See, what I want to do, and what I think would be really cool, is if when you are, let's say that this was an ability on a card, and you're like putting a packed scene in the thing, it'd be really, really cool if you could see the properties inside of the card and edit them. So I'm just doing an experiment with that. I don't know if I'm going to stick with that, but it was just kind of an idea I had. I don't know if I can. Also, hello. Love your videos. Keep up. I might. We'll see. Eventually, I will.
Someday. Not today, though.
Yeah, not today. Not today in the slightest. Can I get the script off of this? I can't. Okay, you don't inherit from a scene. Great. Connection binds, connection counts, connection flags, connection method, connection terminated. Target, binds, node count, node groups, node index. What the hell? What are you? Instance? Scene. What are they called? Sorry, instance placeholder? Weird. Not that that matters. Node name, node owner path, node path. Oh, hi, Callie. Come on, baby. For someone who really hates hearing me talk, she really likes sitting on my lap the second I start talking.
Yapper.
Node property index path is instance placeholder. Okay, this is like kind of annoying as fuck. Because you don't have this, do you? I'm gonna put a breakpoint in here and see what this gives me. Hi, Bubby. I love this creature so much, man. She's so fucking cool.
Alright.
What? You don't think my cat's cool?
No.
You're like a fucked up creature, dude. She's cool as fuck. Oh.
Nope.
Alright. Nope, I don't.
No, you don't.
Money seems not in here. That's really weird. Evaluator, money underscore scene. Did they break this in Godot? They didn't. Cool. Path. Okay, you don't have the thing that I care about, I don't think. This is like so unfortunate. Well, I guess that's not gonna render, will it? Scene state. You're not gonna render anything other than your resource. I'm gonna open this in docs online so I can take a look at the methods as I evaluate them. So let's see. Scene state.get base scene state. Start there. Nothing. Okay, that's fine. Expected that. Get connection count. I'll find out how many is there. Sure. Answer's 0. Yeah. Expected again. Get Get path. Get path returns the actual. Okay, great, terrific. Get node property value. So for node 0, property 0, which would be, I believe it was collision mask technically. Type 0 is an int, I think. Oh, I'm actually curious about this one. Hit node groups. Null. Okay, makes sense.
Can't believe JW is getting a rebalance. Crazy.
True.
I rebalanced my mic for the 0 people that are in my stream. It's over.
It is kind of funny that it literally only affects people watching your stream.
It is kind of funny. Although I learned there is a way you can actually have it go through OBS into whatever output if you have like a plugin, but that's like too much work. And it already sounds fine through Discord because Discord, whatever noise suppression and random stuff it does, automatically sounds fine.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Aw, dude. That's annoying. Actually, what?
Hmm.
Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out. Let's say I were to do scene state.get property list. What are you gonna tell me? What are you gonna say you got? You got 3 things. You got multiple things. You got many things. Name is ref counted. Name is scene state. Name is script. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work. I'm thinking that giving up on this might be the play, specifically because I'm gonna waste all my time doing this if I don't. Also, hello Cosmic. Did you see my DM on Discord? Actually, Cosmic, if you're still here, Cosmic, I've got something really cool to show you. Someone sent over the fleet thing that I made, and these motherfuckers are absolutely loving it so much. They are literally loving the fuck out of this emote. Alright, so JW, you. You. So, I have a couple questions for you. So let's say that. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh no, owner. For the Mac thing, that's getting updated in 4. That should have been updated in 4.5. You should take a look and see if you're on 4.5. If that still doesn't work, meh. Mac has issues with Godot sometimes. So let's say that you have an ability like the Uzi that you want to be able to hold down left click. How would you like to define that ability is going to do that? There are 3 options. The first one is to have that be defined on the card. The second one is to have that to be defined as an export variable on the ability, so in here. And then the third one is to call a function inside of the ready function.
I think on the card would make the most sense.
On the card would make the most sense.
Probably.
May I ask? Okay, so a couple questions then for that. Is there ever a time that you think that we would turn off continuous fire for a card from the card menu?
Oh, what do you mean?
Like, I'm trying to think of like, would there ever be a case that we would want to change that just in the card view here rather than going into the ability itself?
Yeah, I guess not really.
Do you mind it being an export variable on the actual scene?
I guess that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like if it was just fine. Over here, there was like fire type, and then you could select like continuous or something. Okay. Next question. Well, hold on. Okay, we'll start with that, and then I'll see where we can go with that.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to have to do the shit that I did with the laser pointer, and I also would like to rework some of the laser pointer stuff because it's a bitch to work with.
Okay.
So, do you think there's going to be anything in the game that is going to be a... No, there is. Never mind. I was going to say, is there anything that's going to be a continuous fire that won't have like an interval? And the answer is yes. If we ever wanted to have like a charge up weapon, it's like if you held left click for a full second, it would shoot it, but if you let go, it would stop charging that.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I have a couple of ideas. So, I'm thinking that rather than this thing, so this was doing a whole lot. This is checking to see if we are attack buffered, see if there's a cooldown, see if there's an equip buffer. It's seeing if it can unequip. It's seeing a whole lot of stuff. I think.
Well, that kind of looks cool, but that's way too noisy.
Yeah, so that actually also gives off, from a VFX standpoint, what that's saying to me is that this does damage, or this is something offensive rather than something defensive.
Yeah.
There's a couple of things. Have I sent you the VFX video from Mental Checkpoint?
You probably did, and I probably didn't watch.
You should totally watch it.
I will. I'm really good at getting sent.
I'll send you the video again, but
please. What other particles do I have? I think maybe they should be going out instead of in.
Let me see if I can get the... Yeah, here. So if you want to take a look at this on my screen.
No, I'm looking at your screen.
So one of the things he talks about is timing. So, hold on. So if something, this is like kind of just like a, this is nice, this is something that is damage.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of based on like our biology, I guess, but it kind of tells you what you're getting from that.
Okay.
Also using common symbols found in games is like another big one. I know that it's like kind of gamey, but like for example, where is his mention? He mentions it somewhere. Yeah, shape. So you can show kind of, hold on. So this shows it's an attack because it's pointy. The other thing showed it was helpful because it was round. But like recognizable symbols kind of let you know exactly what you're getting.
So what was that, TF2?
It is, yeah. So, and then also League of Legends. But yeah, things like that where it's like if we can use common symbols, that kind of makes the visual a little bit clearer. Because that to me says, hey, this is very fast. This is going to either do damage to something or do damage to me or something. I don't think we have... I honestly... What is a mana symbol, usually? I guess like a star, but I don't think we're doing stars.
I mean, we kind of have like the diamond thing, what you're doing. So I can make like a particle version of that.
Oh, yeah.
This. So I can take this and be like... copy. And then...
Oh, I was also... You know what? Another thing that... I'm going to just toss this idea out there. I don't know if that's what would be good for the game, but I feel like a moon could also be kind of a
moon,
like a crescent moon, be like a mana symbol. But
no, I don't like that at all.
Okay,
no offense.
Well, that's fair.
That's not what I want to.
You're officially switching to Linux Mint on Saturday, not even dual booting. You're diving in. Nice, good luck. I would also say check out Kubuntu or
this guy is addicted to
regular Ubuntu. Huh?
This guy's addicted to Kubuntu.
I am. KDE Plasma is like the best desktop environment. You can also swap your desktop environments out on the fly, but that's a little bit more involved than just downloading a desktop and saying, yo dog, here's my desktop. Okay, so my thoughts for this. This guy should just report to the current ability whether or not the attack is being held, or whether or not there's anything queued up. I don't think it should be in charge of telling the attack to attack. Maybe it... no. So I think what we could do is...
I love having a big file of like 1 million drawings. Rather than individual ones, it's so much better.
So let's say... Do I want this to be buffered still? Actually, let's not worry about buffers right now. I think buffers are like kind of a bitch for this, so we're gonna kill that. I'll worry about that later. It's gonna feel like shit, but whatever. If deck is on cooldown, are you a thing? False. Yeah, you aren't, but okay. Holy shit, is that the Master Liberty? What the fuck? Hello. Hi. So let us do this.
Lettuce.
So first thing is if you've just pressed the primary fire button, or what's it called? It's called standard attack. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll say on standard attack, tell current ability to start attacking. Fine. Elif input is action. Just released. Standard attack. Pass. Tell current ability to stop attacking. Also, I would like to add a note that is also fire this if we detect input not held while attack while still attacking. I think that should be fine. So that's fine. I'll change this to just be input that is action just pressed. Knuckle card.
Why is the furry noodles still covered in hands? Furry noodles look just looks like they are having a good time. I'm having a terrible time.
He's having a time.
I'm having a time. Yeah. Let's not like leak my entire file system.
Why not?
I don't know.
Okay. So oh, I might say something that's going to be a little controversial.
Uh-oh.
Not to anybody except for you, JW.
What?
I think that we should treat the default smack the same as we treat inability in terms of equipment.
Sure, I guess. I don't know what that entails, so.
That's okay, don't worry about it. Okay. You shouldn't have to interact with it ever unless you need to change something about the defaults attack. You wanted the card abilities also changed to card attack, right? Or what did you want to change to card equipment or something like that?
They are card ability.
Yes.
Well,
so this is base ability. This is the thing you're equipping, and whenever you...
Okay, if it's being equipped, it's equipment. If it's just anything that's a card, that's something that's used by a card, it's an ability. So for example, like the thing that I'm making here, this is an ability, but like the gun is a equipment.
Okay. Yeah, I can change that. So this thing, which is a sword, this wouldn't extend base ability, this would extend base equipment.
Yes.
Okay.
I think.
Is there a name that you would like more than base equipment?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Could also be card equipment or like.
I think base equipment is fine. We can always like change it. It's not a big deal.
Yeah,
as long as
I'm trying to
ability, because ability
make
was like
names
for
that
everything.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make names that make more sense to you. Because
That's okay.
If you've ever seen me play like Minecraft or whatever, like I don't really care about the super specifics so long as it works. So a lot of my naming things are kind of bad when it comes to classes in this, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So this would be
This guy does not use Java enough.
New abilities. I do. I promise, dude. Default. Default attack is probably not what I would call it. Yeah, I will. Actually, I lied. Yeah, sure. Extend space equipment. You're going to have a couple of things. So start attacking. Actually, you shouldn't be doing anything. I'm back with some scrummy salmon. What'd you put on the salmon? Holy shit, I have 9+ Discord messages. Something important. Oh, they're talking about... Okay, they're talking about magic cards. We're good. I will join in on the conversation later. It's just, I was making sure it wasn't something that was like super important to take care of during stream. So... Start attacking. This is fired the second that you left click. Great. Terrific. Right, so it would be stop attacking, not end attacking. That'd be stupid.
Yeah, that would be kind of stupid.
Yeah, that'd be really, really dumb. Attacking is used here and here, yeah. So I think... What's up?
Okay, never mind. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay.
Ooh, it does not
Miso,
like
ginger
that.
sauce, soy sauce, wasabi, furikake, sesame oil, sesame seeds, lemon juice. Damn.
Spicy miso beef.
Spicy miso beef. What is this a reference to? Why do I feel like
it's a Mr. Beast meme, but it's miso beef.
Never mind. Oh, I get it. Okay,
yeah.
Miso beef.
Yeah, so instead of Mr. Beast,
Miso
it's miso beef.
Yeah.
You get it? Yeah.
That's a good one.
How do I damp radial acceleration or radial velocity? It doesn't work. I don't know how damping works. Damping never works.
Because the velocity, it has to be set much higher. It has to be set to like 2,000. Type in like 2,000. Oh wait, no, wait, hold up, wait, what are you doing? Can you show me what you got
3 million,
as your?
and it doesn't
Yeah,
do
undo
anything.
that. So what's your current
radial
thing that you're trying to
velocity?
damp on me?
It's 200. It's the 200. Ish.
Yeah, so that's in the animated velocity. If you wanted to, you could create a velocity curve.
Here?
Radial velocity. Yep, velocity curve.
Ew,
and then create a curve. Yeah, set it to 1 and then down to 0.
Okay. Yeah, like that. And then we reduce it a little bit.
Miso beef. So attacking equals true, and then attacking equals false. I think these are bad variable names. Maybe it should be attack input, or is JW. let's say that you
Mhm.
wanted to check whether or not something was still being held down. Like, let's say whenever you're using your Uzi, you want to check to see whether or not the player's still holding left click. How would you want to do that without using the input.is whatever pressed?
If they're holding is
Like, would there be a variable that you would do?
Oh, okay.
Like, would it be a variable called like attacking, is primary fire? Would it be a function called is player attacking?
The first thing that I thought of was like is activating. I
Is
don't know if
activating.
that's
I don't like
right.
that one.
Is attacking maybe? But is attacking feels more like the cards being used rather than like an input being used. Is
I wonder, there could be is input, is...
Yeah, is input. Does, is... I don't know.
Is attack pressed, maybe? Could be
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Okay. Attack pressed. And then we will do a func is attack pressed. Return a boolean, return is return attack pressed. Which is a little weird to do, but whatever, I'll figure it out. Attack pressed. So the main reason I want to do this is because let's say this thing has by default we'll say enum attack type or equipment type, fire type. I think
Activate type.
Activation type.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Yeah, single, continuous. And then you could also do like interval, honestly, like a single, continuous, and interval. Whereas continuous is like, we're just gonna let you keep holding down. Interval is every so often fire this, and single is...
Here we go, Biddy.
like
How
that.
does this look? Is this better? I think I would reduce the opacity a little bit so a little less obvious. But I think I would reduce the opacity of like the whole thing entirely. It's a little noisy. Like this outline, all of it.
Something tells me that I feel like there should be particles that kind of spawn throughout the circle and kind of rise up.
Okay.
Rather than kind of like this, whatever.
I can try that
Could also be
instead.
like, could be a slow pulse outwards as well. Like a... don't worry about that last one I just said.
Okay.
I do like the way it looks. I like the idea that it's got going on.
Yeah, I think this is a good indicator for like mana if we ever use it. For anything else.
If we ever use it.
For anything else, I mean, sorry.
Yeah. If we ever use mana.
Yeah.
How much of this needs to be here exactly?
I had my screen halfway off.
Is spawn nodes even used at all? Yes. Well, no. No, it's not. I'll just kill this thing because I don't think that matters. Dead. Is on cooldown, can cast. Unequip. Put away. Just nice.
Does it look like put two on top of each other? Whoa, two of them.
Do it in.
I also think, yeah, I think maybe the pistol should be auto.
Yeah,
Kinda
because
like
I was thinking about it and I was like,
motion.
now that it's projectile, it feels like it would be better, and it also does less damage. So like holding it down,
Yeah.
it's just the right thing.
Yeah. The only thing that's a little weird with the mana that I feel like, maybe it's a good thing that it's kind of annoying is like running out of mana and just trying to spam it.
Yeah.
Like it feels bad, but I think it's good because it's kind of telling you like this is bad. You shouldn't have 0
We
mana.
should definitely have like
You
a
should fix
sound
this.
whenever you click
Yeah.
while you're out of mana. That's like or whatever.
Should steal some random sounds from Half-Life.
What if I put like a really small fleet bleh in the corner of my screen?
You should do that.
Image.
Isn't there like a sound when like the Half-Life health thingies when they run out? It's kind of like that.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, we should just.
I really like you're not gonna get this 'cause you didn't play Gary's mod, but
Who's Gary?
mod.
Well.
Yeah. He in I guess it's also in Half-Life. I don't know why I said that, but like, oh, that's a very big feat on my screen. Oops.
Where?
Whenever you use the gravity gun and there's nothing to pick up, it goes.
Oh yeah. I need to finish Half-Life.
I'm a big fan of.
What if I had a
soup?
Soup?
Soup. Okay, so start attacking, stop attacking. So if we are a single fire thing, then that means we would call the function do attack, perhaps. If activation type equals activation type dot single, we call do attack. And I can use. You can be an abstract class. You can be an abstract class.
Okay.
Holy shit. You're an abstract class now, bitch. What's that gonna do? I don't know. I just felt like doing it.
Insane.
Can I? That noise was spot on. I also thought that, but I didn't want to say it. But like, whenever I heard that come through my mic, I was like, holy shit, I kind of nailed that. Do attack. I actually don't know how abstract works, so we're gonna take a look at abstract func draw. So this has to be implemented.
Here, Biddy, how does this look?
Ooh, okay, hold on.
A little
Let me
bit.
think for a moment.
I need to
I
make
think we're good.
tweak the color. Making it additive makes it a little funky if you don't make it fully opaque. But
I think it looks fine. I think it would look better with some more kind of stuff going on with it, like some kind of just like.
I think also
don't know about
before
enough-
I had like a secondary transition here where it was like somewhat
yeah.
colored in here, so I got re-add.
I also think. I wonder how it would look as a perfect circle, like using draw circle instead of this pixelated one.
I
No?
will
Okay.
kill you.
Okay, yeah, I mean you can try, I guess.
Yeah, I mean,
Do attack.
5 days.
Void. 5 days.
5 days. 5 nights at Bilytics.
Whoa. That's like, I spend at least, I do that like, I don't know, like 1.5 times a week almost. Let's see what this function. Actually, does the Godot style guide mention where abstract functions should go? Because if they don't, they definitely should. I would imagine, I don't know why I put it up here, it should be right above the first function. I think they should be the first function shown to the people. Or above the declaration of variables, either or, honestly. There's no mention of abstract. Oh no, there is. Abstract is before the class name. Great, terrific. There's no mention of abstract functions. That's a little annoying.
Womp womp.
Womp. Yeah,
Womp.
it's like a little annoying because I would have.
Let's try this. How does this look? What if I streamed Half-Life 2 instead of Silksong?
That'd be like kind of fire, honestly. Okay, so I think I'll actually. I'll put this above the variable declaration because it's kind of an API that gets used.
Maybe I should make it additive. I don't know.
Pound. This would be what? I would say. Oh, bless.
Sorry.
That was insane.
That was a weird sneeze. I'm sorry. I was trying to hold it in because I was trying to push the mute button on my stream deck, but then I was in the wrong menu, so I panicked. And then did a weird sneeze. I'm sorry.
No, that's insane.
That was really awkward. Anyways. Sorry. What do I do now?
What's up? You could add the particles that kind of float up a little bit.
Oh, do you think I should have both?
Yes, it should have both or either. Like, I think you could like play around with both of them.
Yeah.
Like, just add a copy of the GPU particles and just fucking mess with it.
I could also try having like 2 different types of particles. Maybe make one of them like very not obvious. I think it looks decent. The color is bad. I think maybe I don't make this additive. And try that.
What's the color set to? Sorry.
It's like it's pretty bright.
Oh, it's very, very.
It's like this one here.
Transparent. Yeah.
Yes, because that way.
If you said it's not transparent, can you show me what that looks like? I'm just curious.
It's bright.
Yeah, like could you put it in game and show me what that looks like?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe like the rest of the circle too, like not just the outline. So that, like I could see.
Well, like
that doesn't look terrible, honestly.
Like just like this. Yeah, the problem is it's like too bright. I feel like if there's something behind there, you're not gonna see it. Like something could be floating in there, and it's like hard to see.
Yeah. So can I'm gonna do something on my screen really quickly, just as like an idea.
Okay.
So you've got a setup of a sprite 2D with a gradient texture on it, right? Do you know the size of the gradient texture?
100 by 100. Then it's scaled by 4.
By 100. Oh god.
So that way it's 100 by 100 pixels, like in-game pixels.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just would prefer. Yeah, you should be using. Okay, buddy. Okay.
You should be using.
You should be using powers of 2 just because we really like those around here. No other reason.
Oh well,
so
I don't like them.
Let me just copy over what you've got. So you've got this, and now you've got this, and you've got this interpolation set to constant, and you've got this set so that this is like partially transparent. You've got this set to partially transparent, and then you've got like another layer that's just like that, kinda. Is that correct, or is that not?
Yeah, that's pretty close.
So what you could do, because I'm kind of seeing something there, is because you've got like an inner layer, which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got like this like inner layer like this.
Yeah.
I think what it could benefit from, potentially, and I'm gonna try this out, is what if this right here was just the outer ring. I guess that wouldn't work like that, would it? Oh no, sorry. I can just do this. That you set to fully opaque, and then here, this doesn't have the outer ring, but this is also not a constant interpolation. This could be not a linear, but That doesn't really look great, actually. Never mind.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I mean, that's not terrible. It's not amazing. It could also be like 50 by 50, and then scaled up by 8 by 8.
No. No, that is... We are not having gradient mixels.
How is this a gradient
I'm
mixel?
killing you.
No, it is.
How is this gradient mixel scales it by double the pixel size? I might have to kill you.
Oh my god.
He's always talking about like some
shit. He's always talking about some shit.
Dog.
Okay.
Look at what you just did and tell me that.
No, okay. What if this one?
I'm not
look,
justified.
Now it's no longer gradient mixel. Now it's no longer gradient mixel.
It's just normal mixels.
What do you mean that's not normal mixels?
Because now it's 8 times, right? What?
I don't know, man. Let's find out. Dude,
did you scale by 8 or by 4?
Much,
I'm confused.
I don't know.
What did you do? I wasn't looking at what you were doing.
Where's Dante? Dante, get in here. You have voice of reason.
Yeah, look. Mixels.
Wow, it's 2 times, dude. Oh
that's still mixels. 2 times is still mixels.
Whatever,
mixels.
Whatever, man. Whatever. I'm making a Dante's 9 mod the second it comes out that's just gonna overwrite all of your artistic choices, and you're gonna be like, this sucks, and everyone's gonna download the mod immediately. They're gonna be like, this is the better version of Dante's 9.
You sound like people that are like, I use programmer art on Minecraft because it looks better.
There are some arts that I do think do, but I think overall the upgraded textures do look better.
Not anybody that's like programmer art's better. It's like, no, you're wrong. They kind of cooked.
I called this basic one. Does the new what's the new soul sand texture look like? Isn't it like fucked up?
Maybe, I don't know. It's like pretty normal. I think it looks good. The real thing is, if anybody says the old Netherrack was better, they need to be like,
dude, old Netherrack looked like shit.
It's so bad.
Old Netherrack was
so bad.
Okay. So
okay, let's figure out how to do this.
We have
was hurting.
to do attack.
Sorry.
So if this is a single mode one, we'll do that. Otherwise, LF activation activation type is activation type dot interval. So I guess now we have the question of how does the interval work? Obviously, I think there should be a set amount of time, but because I could just make an export in here and be like, add export var.
Okay, it looks even worse. It's not additive. Okay, good to know.
Attack interval is like 0.5 or something. The problem with this is that means that every ability that is an interval attack would have defined, which isn't the worst, but let me dink on that one. I'm gonna dink on that one just a little bit.
Dinking.
To do address interval attacks. Because I was thinking I could make this a tool script, but that would be really fucking annoying because that means every ability would have to be a tool script, and I don't want that, so that's not happening.
Yeah, it's fair.
I want to explore the idea of editor scripts, which I believe adds a thing here so that you could have like a button that you click to generate a new ability or a new card or whatever, and it would just pop up like a dialogue, and you could like pop in.
Oh yeah, I was literally thinking that exact same thing because who was it? Somebody made a video about that. And I was like, I should send this to Vidi because this is cool. And this is exactly what we might be doing.
I know that, what the fuck is Acerola?
Yeah, well, it wasn't Acerola.
I know, but Acerola had a video that did that.
It was some video guy that I know you've watched.
Some random guy, is it Firebelly?
Yes.
It was?
Yes.
What was his Was it one of it was more?
It was
recent
like
videos?
really recent. It was like recent.
Firebelly.
I don't know. This
Yeah,
looks
Firebelly's
like
sick.
not bad, but I wish there was a way to make. I don't know if there's a way to make it like brighter, but like not super opaque. Like maybe I'm just dumb.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, hey, yeah, look at that. Most recent Firebelly video 3 days ago. Most underrated
that
feature
one.
custom editor tools.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I didn't watch like super closely, but he was doing literally the exact same thing where he's like making cards with like
look at that, dude.
Tool script that like pops up a window and like makes a card. It's like
that's fucking sick. That's so funny.
Because one thing that he did that was kind of cool that I don't know if I'll end up doing, but could be interesting, or I don't think he did it, but he said he was gonna set it up, is make it that it like automatically generates an Sprite file for each card.
That's kind of cool.
Or that's like one thing that you could do. I think he said he was going to do it. I don't remember. I like zoned out halfway through it because I was like playing Fortnite or something. No, I wasn't actually playing Fortnite.
So does he have this set up so that whenever you press it, does it show up in the project window or no?
I think it was like a.
Is it a script that you just run?
Yeah, it's a script that you run and then pops it up.
Sorry, wait, what is he doing here? Okay, so it does get added to the context menu. I think I saw that in the what the hell is it called? I think I saw that in the updates that the command palette now has all of your editor script actions.
Crazy.
Something like tools, so it's not specific.
Whoa.
Hello, Jord. How you doing?
What's that, Jord?
Yeah. You give the class.
I'm Jording it.
I'm imagining.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. That's actually really simple. I'm imagining that's because it uses the class DB, which would be really cool. Yeah, very good video so far from what I'm seeing. Firebelly's always sick. Same thing. Shaggy Dev is also really, really good.
I think he made a couple videos recently that I saw that looked like they could be interesting, and then I didn't watch them. Many such cases.
Many such cases, yes. So for player equipment, rather than doing current ability to attack, I think I will do current ability dot start attacking. Well, actually, no, you won't be doing any of this shit, will you? No, you won't be doing any of this. Boom. Because that goes here now. Current ability dot start attacking.
What making unique recursively?
Me.
No, I am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Take that. Also, why the heck is it showing my emission shape as circle when it's not? Or
I don't know.
Oval when it's a circle?
I don't know, man.
It's probably something with like, since it's scaled, but it's not scaled.
Yeah.
And then also,
is it not?
No. Oh,
is the rigid body scaled? Or is it just
yeah, it is
scaled?
Oh, and now it's even weird. It was this.
Now it's a small oval.
Oh, whatever. I'm just not gonna touch that. Don't worry about that. It's not a big
What's your
deal.
emission shape set to?
Circle, sphere.
Sphere, and I can't see what are the numbers there?
1, 1, 1.
If you were to change the X and like drag that up, does it change the... Sick.
It's exactly 1/4.
That's kind of cool.
It's probably something with the scaling. I don't know.
Cool. It's definitely some weird shit. It's you know, good.
But
it's a new feature that we got in 4.5. I'm sure it's just a bug.
Yeah, visually it's okay. So we don't want. We want angular. No, we want. I know what I'm doing, guys. Trust.
You don't extend base equipment. You do extend base equipment. Look at you go. Attack is going to be single. I need to also change all of these base ability. Attack, no super call. Attack, no super call, and of course. Okay. Base.
Well, this looks just kind of terrible.
I will worry about you in a minute, I guess.
Let's see how it looks first before I complain too much. I think the different particles should probably be different textures, because when there's a bunch of the same texture going in like different directions, it looks really bad. I guess it doesn't look awful, but it looks...
Oh, that's very busy.
Kind of bad. Yeah, exactly.
So... could you make them just spawn moving upwards and slowly slow down?
Okay, just upwards and slowly slow down.
Yes. No spread, directions minus... Oh yeah, you've got that actually.
Yeah.
And then they would also need to be a little bit lower so they don't go out of the circle. Ideally.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
And then could you make their... What's the... Sorry, I can't read the things that you got going on there. Okay, so the initial velocity, could you actually instead... that can't be animated over time, can it?
No.
I guess it could. Yeah, get rid of the gravity, set that to 0.
Okay.
And then go to the damping. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I think. Yeah, drag the damping not all the way up like that. Maybe a little bit more. Could you also get rid of the other particles? Just hide them.
Yeah.
Yeah, could you go to the scale curve that you've got going on there? Do you have a scale curve going on?
Yeah.
Yes, so for the curve, could you make it go up very fast and then like stay, yeah, I guess it's...
Like stay?
And then stay there until like the very end and then kind of like fall immediately off.
Like that?
And then could you also do that with the alpha? You could probably just copy that curve and
yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can just drag the copy.
Sure we don't.
Okay, and they're not.
Bugs, that should be.
Yeah. The problem is they're stopping way too soon, which is a... Oh, you know what? You could probably do a scale over velocity rather than a scale curve.
Oh,
Yeah, so get rid of that, and then yeah, that motherfucker. I actually have no idea how that works, so,
Nice, it doesn't say either.
Yeah, if you want to see what it actually does, you can... right-click on scale over velocity, like the curve that you've got there, and then open documentation. And then the min and max scale should be somewhere very close to that. Oh yeah, right there. Minimum velocity value reference for scale over velocity curve. Okay, so that will be... What did you have the initial velocity set to?
Like 200... No, I don't know. Like 21 to 27.
21? Okay, so set the max to 21 and set the min to 0.
Okay, yeah.
And then scale over velocity. Yeah, you got this, hopefully. I believe it would be a reverse curve. Yeah, I believe it would be a reverse curve where it's 0 on the left and 1 on the right.
Okay. Why is the max value 1. Okay. Yeah, that like kind of works.
Oh, that actually kind of goes hard a little bit. Something feels like it's wrong, but I like it.
I think the damping is off. Maybe the damping curve. Does that do anything?
Damping curve would be over time, which might be what you want, but
do I want to
for
set
that
this
you would
off?
Yeah, it's dude, some of these particle properties piss me off.
No, maybe this should be 1. I'm guessing they're like multiplied.
Yeah, I think it might be. Cool.
That seems to be it.
Yeah, and then maybe move the particles up just a little bit because some of them are spawning right outside the circle.
Move them up.
Yeah, just a little, like up to that grid line. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, then maybe we should turn this up a little bit.
Yeah. And then yeah. Hey, yeah, I kind of like that. There's a couple of things that could be a little better there, I think. But that's
okay.
You don't like that at all?
It's okay. Should it be with the other one or just by itself? Oh, hello, I need to break my thumbs are now hurting. Just random things just start hurting. It's like, I don't know why. One of them will stop, but then the other one will be like, it's my turn to be in pain. Here, I'll just put you on a screen for a minute and drink some Dr. Pepper. I genuinely don't know what's wrong with me. It's like, the rest of my hand is now fine, but now my thumbs are... It's called getting old, brother. I'm like, I was about to say something that I can't say on Twitch. I am 18. I'm an adult.
Alright, buddy.
What? It was gonna be a joke. But Twitch doesn't like jokes.
For sure. This is true.
Make comedy legal again, or whatever.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Motherfuckers use that to be racist.
Oh.
Don't say that.
Stop being so cute. Okay. Meow. Sorry.
Alright, buddy. It's glue.
It's glue.
It's glue as fuck.
It's glue. You know it's not glue.
It's glue as fuck.
Dr. Pepper.
It might as well be glue with how fucking stupid you are. I don't know, man.
True. Call it glue the way I be drinking it.
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten glue?
No, actually. I watched SpongeBob as a kid, and I started talking when I was like, I don't know.
Oh.
Like a regular age, probably. Maybe a little earlier, honestly. I don't know. You know, I'm something of a legend in my family. Wood glue is yummy. Alright, buddy. Oh,
doesn't that have like bits of wood in it?
Bits and banters?
Bits and banters?
Sorry, am I like going insane? Do you not have... You literally have the thing. It literally... What are we talking about, dude?
I thought wood glue had like bits of like wood chips in it or something. Maybe I'm stupid.
It's just horsey juice.
Oh, okay.
Default attack.
That might be a more...
I've assigned this.
Google at Grok.
Put horse in this glue. Okay, so it is printing. I guess it was just a failure on Kiddo's part to save the file. Whatever.
No, wood glue does not contain actual wood. Okay, thank you, Google AI.
Yippee. Sorry, how does this do this again? Sorry, this does some weird shit, right? This uses static variables, I remember. Yeah.
I don't know why I thought it had wood in it. I might be a moron.
because it says wood glue, so it means
Yeah,
glue
well,
out of
like,
wood.
I don't know. I thought maybe
trying to,
having wood in it makes it stick to wood. Don't ask. I'm dumb.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that is true. That
It's
is
also
actually how
like
it
kind of
works.
yellowish, so it's like wood's kind of brown, so like mix it with like white glue and it
yeah.
makes yellow. So like,
Mm-hmm.
I think I was kind of cooking with that one.
Yeah, you were like close. That was like really, really close actually. What the hell?
Yeah. Terrible news about relationship.
Okay, alright, buddy.
I used to use super glue a lot when I did like 3D printing stuff, and I would like stick my fingers together like every other day. It's so annoying. Fouet. Wait, I can't see the fouet. Let me pull up your stream so I can see the fouet.
It's literally okay. Alright, buddy.
What? Oh, maybe I should watch Northern Lion.
I'm gonna find.
Sorry, I went to go pull up
scroll
YouTube and I accidentally opened up my tab that had Northern Lion in it because I always have one ready if I need to watch Northern Lion.
He's always got one in the chamber for Northern Lion.
I do. I'm like so behind on bits and banter. It's kind of sad.
What if this was?
Oh, by the way, Moaz, or if you're still in my chat, let me know how my mic sounds. I changed my mic settings, so hopefully it sounds really nice and clean and not bad, but it might sound bad because I did test it actually. Where's the fouet?
What if I
find the fouet? I found the fouet.
Keep looking at my stream.
Jump scare.
I was doing that and I forgot you were looking at my stream.
That scared me. It just started growing.
Yeah, no. Kind of goes crazy, honestly. Let me see if they are.
I have
they're
a
still going
fear of
crazy about
large
it.
things.
Flee
That's why I
this
can't
word.
play like Subnautica or like anything. Even No Man's Sky is kind of scary sometimes, you know?
They are not still going crazy about it.
Why does my thumb hurt?
Right now.
And it's my right thumb too. It's like I don't even do anything with that thumb. Like I'm not pressing the space bar. It's from scrolling TikToks all day.
Fear of large things, aka the Kaiser.
No.
Thalassophobia or something.
I think that's fear of water. Which
no,
I also
it's fear of large things in water.
Oh, okay, then yes. Then yes, I do have that. I cannot play Subnautica.
I think it's specifically about large things, maybe large man-made structures in water, question mark, mayhaps?
Maybe?
Is that the last?
Those are cool. I like large things. About mic sounds, I don't think it sounds any different. Like from my normal streams or from Biddy?
If it's from me, it will not sound any different.
Yeah,
if it's on his stream, it will. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't listened.
Well, no, I mean like compared to Biddy stream or compared to my old streams is what I was asking. From normal streams, okay. Yeah, I'll have to go back and watch it, but it should be like less boomy and less like. Before it wasn't terrible, but it was like kind of crunchy. But I turned down the gain on the mic itself, so that should make it a little bit cleaner. Cleanier.
Cleanier?
Cleanier.
Cleanier, what the fuck?
Cleanier. Yeah. And then I added some more effects through. Compared to old streams? Okay.
Oh, is on cooldown. I don't...
Well, that's good. Because ideally I wanted to be able to like actually record for videos and things like that. That I'm definitely going to make soon. And make it like actually sound clean. Nah, like some of the old streams are like really bad. I don't know. But I don't know. I might have also changed the position of the mic from when I was testing earlier. I don't know, because I moved like my chair around and stuff. Ow. No, I genuinely don't know what is wrong with my fingers. Maybe a little better now. This new desk position is definitely better though. Or chair position, whatever.
What did you change about it?
I checked old streams. It sounds way better now. Let's go. Fire.
JW, look at this absolutely beautiful change in 4.5. Is on cooldown. You see this?
Yeah.
Okay. This is from old This is from my other class. It shows it lets you can override functions, and
Let's
it tells you what
go.
functions you can override.
That's fire. So I don't have to like pull up your stream or your tutorial on state machines every single time I want to figure out what functions to override.
That's crazy that's how you would do that,
No,
brother. You just...
I know. For the bit, you know.
Lord help him. For the bit, not for the banter.
For the bit, not for the banter. Okay, well, allegedly my old streams sound good, so that, or my new mic sounds good, so that's good. Hopefully it's of like actual
your new mic,
good,
which is the exact same mic.
New mic settings, whatever. I like can't talk today. New mic, worse voice.
New mic, who dis?
Whose mic?
Herman Trout.
Also, it should make it that I can like talk really quietly and you can like still hear me. If I talk like really quietly. Talking like really quietly.
We can have an ASMR off if you want. We can...
No. But like...
No.
I added all kinds of cool filters and stuff to make it sound nice. Yeah. You should get new vocal cords. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's... Let's see...
Okay.
I guess I would just start attack. Start attacking, passing in current or use equipment. Yeah. And then I would have a stop attacking. Yeah, but before I call this the equipment change good, I want to run it by you, so we shall.
Okay. Or is it
It's
like
not
almost
done
done? Okay. Cool. Sorry, it's just my thumb is hurting and I don't want to like overdo anything. I don't know why it's hurting.
Fine.
Like what am I? I'm just using a mouse.
Okay, if you're not able to do like any sort of work stuff, we could just like talk about game mechanics if you want.
I'm at camp for right now while I'm like
trying
to figure out what's wrong with it. It's not awful. It's just like it wasn't hurting. Honestly, it could be from using my phone more because I wasn't typing at all last week. That it was hurting my thumb. Be awkward. Too many TikToks. Okay, well, game mechanics, I guess then.
Yeah, like what game mechanics we got going on? We got
I
want to do. Fuck, there was something I thought about today and I don't remember what it was. I
feel like I've thought about things recently too, then I forgot.
Me when I think about things. So start attacking if this is a single attack.
I'm still just trying to think about like how to make lots of cards in a short amount of time. Not that like I need to, but like ways to make cards faster. Like ideally, I think this card probably could have been made in like a day if I was efficient. Just need to figure out how.
Yeah, I get you. Oh, sorry, if it's greater than 0, this should be 0.5 seconds in between each. Nice. Okay, cool. Except I think that this should be like 0.2 or something like that. Did we experiment with having the first swipe be less than the second swipe? Like time-wise?
Like time-wise?
Oh, yeah, like instead of like a shoo, 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 it's like a shoo, 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 shoo.
For like the regular attack?
Yeah.
No. I still think we should just try removing the regular attack entirely, to be honest.
We could.
Maybe.
I mean, that's
because it's
totally
like
fine.
Pretty bad. And also that incentivizes like conserving mana and like being efficient more rather than just like, oh, use as much mana as possible, then just smack things with your regular attack until it goes back up.
So let's say you get into a room and you have 4 cards that are higher than the mana that you currently have. What do you do then? What happens then?
That's your problem for building a deck full of cards that are higher than your max mana.
Damn, that's crazy.
Like, I don't think that should be possible. That's something interesting. But I think cards that cost like really high mana probably won't be the most common.
Yeah.
And also, like, you wouldn't... Maybe, like, one card you'd take that costs more mana if you didn't have enough mana for it. But, like, why would you be holding on to 4 cards that cost more mana than you have?
High rolling.
What?
High roller. He's a high roller. He's...
But, like...
I don't know, man.
You wouldn't practically do that, because then that's, like... 4 cards that you just can't use, and the second you get them in your hand, you just can't use them. And they're permanently stuck there forever. I don't know. But yeah, that's not an issue. I don't think. I think that's pretty much just like a non-issue.
Let's see. So that is, I guess, single-use abilities mainly done. I don't know if... I guess I'll find out if this works. I guess we'll find out very quickly if this works or doesn't. Why did it freeze when it hit the thing? Oh, something about those particles look weird sometimes.
Yeah, I need to change them at some point.
Oh, they're very...
They're very what?
They're like, trying to think of the word.
I originally had like a frame-by-frame animation as well, but it would stick out weirdly like over the edges. So I need to either redraw it. I need to remake that at some point, but that's not a big deal.
What is the particle called?
Bullet impact, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you can see the sprite is hidden.
How are they? Oh, they're not scaling at all. Oh, I see.
Oh, they aren't scaling at all.
They still don't seem to be... I don't know if I like that. I also don't know if that's going to make a change inside of this yet. What if these were stepped instead of...
You
say you, but like... I don't know. Something about the particles like slowly becoming transparent feels weird to me.
Might be better. Oh, it's actually not bad. I kind of like that. I think it's playing the animation on the particles, which might be making it disappear.
Yeah, that's too long of an animation, or that's too long of existence. Oh, the speed scale's also set to 2. That's weird.
That's normal.
Yeah, we'll find out. But whatever, it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter.
I mean, it kind of does.
This works
like...
minus the fact that it's not costing mana or
so it doesn't
anything.
work.
So let's...
Sorry,
my fault.
My fault.
Regular attack extends... Oh no, sorry. You should... What the fuck are you? Oh, I know what you are. Never mind, don't even worry about looking at that motherfucker. So now undo attack, we'll do card. Instance dot use card? Mayhaps? Hey, look at that. Oh shit. What the fuck are you saying? Node base ability. Previous had a class of type base equipment, but that class is now abstract. Please assign a different script. What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
Is that scripts? Are you assigned? Do you have the abstract class script on a node somewhere? Because can't you not do that if
No,
it's an abstract?
I don't believe I do.
That's kind of what it sounds like it might be saying, but I'm not sure.
I'm just trying to think of what this scene would be.
It says
Equip card, use card from
player
hand.
quit. Oh,
Yeah,
well,
so
that's...
this is whenever I equip the pistol. Add cards. Add pistol. Right click. Okay, it is. Oh, you know what it probably is? Base gun ability. Okay, so this actually needs to be class name of base gun equipment.
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
And then I need to change the type. Where the fuck is change type? Am I blind? Is it not here? Am I like...
I don't think you... Can you not change... You can change type of the root, right? I think.
Oh, it's because I changed I changed the equipment, so it updated automatically. I guess,
yeah.
Because it's assigned by that thing.
Yeah.
Cool. Node base ability, pistol ability. Base gun equipment. Old Faithful. Or not Old Faithful. What the fuck is it called? Old Reliable. That's the word.
Yeah. What did you do? I wasn't paying attention.
I hit project reload current project.
Ah.
Old Reliable. Sorry, my fault. I got caffeine in me and I got silly. That's my fault. Hey dude, why are you... Oh no, that's fine. Probably. Old Faithful. Hey, why is that not showing up in my chat anymore? Oh, it did. What the fuck are you? Oh, yeah, shit. If card instance. Sure, dude. Because one of the geysers in Yellowstone is called Old Faithful.
Wait, really?
Yeah, did you not know that?
Yeah, I knew that.
Okay, well then why did you say, oh really? Because the geyser was asking that.
I got rid of some of the pain in my thumb. I'm just trying to figure out why it was hurting. Like, how am I holding my mouse wrong?
Isn't it? It's... Everybody's in the open scene. You are...
Is it the way I'm holding my mouse? That's weird. I guess maybe I am applying pressure with my thumb when I'm using my mouse. Why is that hurting?
Is there a way I can tell this what...
Google, help me, why is my thumb hurting?
Gun ability, it's you. You should be... Base gun ability? I think. Did that not... What? Oh, because this needs to be that. Okay, yeah. This is in the file called base... No. Base gun ability. Conte 9. There we go. Base gun ability. You are... Is there a node 2D mentioned somewhere in here? Tracer handler is the only one? Okay. Why don't you know what the default node base gun ability script is? I think this is what it wants. No. Okay. All right. Sick. Node base ability. Base ability. Oh, oops. Base equipment. That's what it's called now. Yes. Reload. And then for the gun ability, or as I like to call it, pistol ability. you should... Okay, that should be fine. It's not fine, dude. Node based ability previously had a type of based equipment. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? It might just be like a Godot caching thing. Let's find out.
Okay.
I just realized
that could be causing my thumb pain that is linked to like using phones and mouses and things like that. So cool. I think it's just a overuse thing. Just doing research on why my fingers are hurting while I let them rest a little bit.
Yeah, it's likely just some stupid shit like that.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Thankfully, it seems to just be mostly my fingers that are hurting now. I really think the share position helped, and now I think it's just me using them too much.
Yeah, probably.
So
you should get into Caves of Cud then.
Why?
And start typing only using Vim.
No, maybe.
Okay.
Thankfully, Rivals actually didn't seem to be bothering my hands too much. It actually seemed to mostly be things holding down my keyboard buttons. I blame Lukai's parkour course for breaking my fingers.
Oh my god.
That was something.
Lukaiza, why are you killing JW?
Yeah, I think actually what was the technical word for it of what was happening in my thumb? It seems like a pretty common, like, minor injury from
it's just like a strain, right?
Called de Quervain's tenosynovitis.
Ain't no way I'm calling that shit de Quervain.
De Quervain's?
Ain't no way I'm calling that shit de Quervain.
But it's just like a swelling of the tendons, like in your thumb. Which can happen from just like repeated use of repeated motion.
Oops, I accidentally ran this scene.
Tendinitis. I guess. I don't know what that is. I've heard of it, but
I'm
dumb.
Buddy, I need you to stop embedding this fucking game window. Alright, add cards, pistol. Still has an issue. Sick. Alright, I'll figure it out later. Whatever, it doesn't look like it's breaking.
Inflammation of the tendies. My chicken tendies are inflamed.
So... what will
might try icing it as well, that might help. I can ice it with my Dr. Pepper can.
Base. Oh, it's called base ability still. I need to change that. So for this base equipment, it will have an activation type. If it's set to single, it just goes off whenever you click, which is fine.
It's hurting a little less now. I'm going to do a little bit more.
I don't know why it's not
what if we
freeing itself.
Make the ones going up a different particle, like the round guy. Ooh, that looks bad. The small ones. Okay. Just trust the process.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Don't trust the process.
Sorry, what is this doing? Why is this here? What is basic? You
wait, how many frames? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 frames. Okay. 6, 7.
6, 7.
I'm killing you. I knew somebody was gonna say that. I hate this.
I don't even know what the fuck that's from, man.
I hate it because I don't like understand it either. It's just people just say it and it's annoying.
Oh, it's your it's your first time being Unk. Holy
I know,
shit.
no, genuinely, people started saying that, and I was like, wait, am I old? No, I don't know what this means.
Yeah.
I don't get why it's funny.
Dude, no,
No,
6,
it's
maybe
genuinely
7. Dude,
insane.
6, 7, 6, 7.
Stop. I hate it. Oh no.
He's on Knip.
I'm on, guys.
Alright, so current card is this. Current card has new ability. New ability is this thing. You don't happen to have like a script attached to you, do you? Card gun dot T-res.
Card gun.
There's no mention of ability in here, is there? Not in the way that matters.
Okay. Cheap viewers,
okay,
let's go.
Yeah. So what's the
Biddy, you got cheap viewers, by the way.
Let's go, dude. Yeah, no, I know I got cheap viewers. Don't worry, Moaz was in chat earlier.
Sorry, Moaz.
Next line does not. Oh, it does error. Why? Why do you error? What? The fuck?
Oops. Me when I didn't make my material unique. Maybe we don't animate.
I don't understand. What the fuck do you mean? I've instantiated this as a thing, and it should be working, and it's type. Base equipment previous. Okay, that's great, terrific. Do you have to have a class name? Is that the problem? But you have a class name, no? Right? Right? Current ability. Where are you? Current ability. Your current class is pistol ability, which has a class called base gun equipment. Brother.
Fortnite.
What the fuck? Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Until I figure this out, no more abstract class, no more bullshit. You are just going to have a function called doAttack so that it can be overridden. Yes, whatever. To make abstract eventually. Sure. Does this have errors? Probably, but I guess I'll find the actual errors instead of whatever the hell that was.
What the hell are you?
Oh, we're at the breakpoint because I put that down. Can I put
I'm
that
just changing
down?
random numbers.
Okay.
This looks really bad.
Okay. Yes. Oh, actually, I do need to know if you're still attacking, actually. How would I want to do that? Because I need to be able to tell. Well, okay, so first off, if I just get rid of this, this works, right? I just hit middle click, nothing happens. If I equip the card, I can equip it and unequip it as much as I want. Sick. Problem is that we want to have a cooldown between whenever you shoot the card and whenever you can unequip it. Because otherwise,
Oh? Hello? Hello? Uh-oh. Everybody died. Did my internet die? No? Maybe? Hello? Hello?
Oh, you're back? Alright.
Oh, okay. I don't know what happened. Everything just died. Am I still live?
I don't know. We still share chat.
It looks like I'm still live. I'm still live. Let's go. I don't know what happened there.
So why are we not using? What?
Oh, is Godot dead again? Or no, Discord? No, it is. It's alive.
To attack.
I don't know what I did.
Card. Add card cooldown.
Oh, it
remove
did.
mana. Activated a mint. Okay, so this doesn't actually check whether or not the card can be used.
Oh, here it killed my screen share. There you go.
Shit.
Here we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Killed everything. Yeah, I might try just like icing my hands as well. That could possibly help. If it's just like inflammation. I think that helps, right? Right, chat? I'm like a doctor, definitely. Yeah, that looks like pretty terrible. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that looks really bad. Wait, what the hell was that? This. It's just like bubbles. I'm gonna make him even like more subtle.
Why isn't this being unequipped? Did I have this set up so that this was handling the unequipped? Because I would hope not. I would hope that the deck is the one that's handling that. Oh, so just
there we go. That's actually not bad now. What do you think about this?
Is your screen my screen or is it yours? On stream.
That's a good question. It's mine.
Okay. Sorry, so what does use card do? Use card does stats remove mana, activated emit. Which
did you want to look at the thing that I made?
Give me a moment and I will. Sure. Use card. If card.charges is less than or equal to 0, discard card. If card is equipped card is null, and then we discard. Yeah. So. Why are we not discarding whenever? Restart the game. I've got a weird bug going on.
Something Hornet Silk Song.
Sorry, use card. Should be doing card.use card. Card used emit. Yeah. So why are we not? Oh, I know what's going on. There it is. Cool. Cool. Okay. Yeah, let me look at this. What you got going on over there?
Got very subtle circles. You can see.
Yeah, they're okay.
I think something subtle like this is nice. Maybe it needs to be something different, but I think something very subtle look like that. Like the, yeah, you heard me.
Whatever the fuck you're saying, man. Yeah, whatever you just said. Yeah, absolutely, dude. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, thank you.
Check out these fucking short hops, dude. Whoa, gravity cancel.
Whoa.
Let's see. So that should be single fire weapons plus or minus a couple of issues. Mainly, if we spawn in a bunch of pistols, we can swap between them and shoot incredibly fast. Whatever. I'll figure that out in a little bit. I want to now figure out interval cards. Like an Uzi, for example.
Yeah.
Or if we want to change the pistol to be a continuous fire.
Yeah.
Well, actually, that wouldn't be the hardest thing ever, because I think I could just do... Actually, well, no, maybe.
Well,
Hold
that
on.
looks nice.
Let's see. So what if I had two functions, which is called underscore attack, or or activate maybe. Do attack, and then also if card instance card deck dot use card instance. In this case, we would do activate. If it's an interval, we won't do anything. We would just say that attack is true. At which point, shit, that's a little annoying.
Now that I think about it, if I want to have this be like variable size, and I want to have an animation for it, like when you throw it down, I want it to like drop it, and then like the bubble kind of expands as the particles start coming out. It would probably want to use like tweens for that, right?
Depends. Probably not.
So you wouldn't. Well, how would you use? What else would you do? I'm trying to think.
You could use an animation player. Sorry, so you wanted to do what?
I want it to be variable size.
Oh, you want it to be variable size. Sorry, I didn't hear that part.
Actually, now that I think about it,
but I don't know.
No, I don't think I would need to, because I'm not actually changing the scale that it's animating to. I'm just changing the size of the gradient texture.
Sorry, what are you doing exactly?
Well, I'm not currently doing it, but what I'm planning to do is change the size of the... So wait, if I increase the size of... Ooh, that looks funny. Made this like 200. 200.
How do you make that list layout animation, like on the debug numbers? So the debug console that we've got, please excuse the mess. It's a debug console, so I just made it quickly. It's just a VBox container with a bunch of labels, and I have some custom code here that will change their modulate alpha over time based on how much time is remaining. Excuse me.
So that does actually work. Because this is still at scale of 4, so it started at like 0 and then scales up to 4. That would still be the same animation.
Yeah.
The only weird thing is like the gap here will be slightly higher if the size of the actual ring is larger, but I don't think that's a big deal.
No.
Really? It's not like crazy. Oops. So that works. Still not 100% sure how we're going to like change the scale with like stickers and stuff. But
yeah, I don't either.
Yeah, whatever.
Let's see.
Owie, owie.
Owie, owie.
Owie. Wonder if just icing my hands in general would help. If it's just like inflammation from...
So, what was I doing here?
Use.
I was doing some shit here. Start attacking, activate, deck.use card, activate. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I wanted to do... What would I do? I would do var interval timer is a scene tree timer. Yeah, I think that's... actually, there's a couple of things going on there that is dubious at best. So, when things actually change, so the labels aren't actually moving. It is the messages that are moving. So, this console has a fixed amount of messages it can hold. Some of them are off screen. But over time, they will fade out, and whenever they reach their lifetime, it will remove them from the queue. So I have this text queue, which is just an array of text items. You can just imagine this is a string instead. And so we just kind of pop them out of the queue right here, or right here. And whenever the labels are displayed, it will only look for the amount of them that are inside of the text queue. So as the messages get cleared out, it kind of looks like they're moving up, but they're not actually. It's the labels are staying there, but the text they're displaying changes. Is it efficient? Probably not. Does it work? Yeah. Does it look cool? Kinda. But also, yeah, if you did have just labels put in there, if you were to delete one, the VBox container also does just reposition automatically to the top. So either way works. Back here, sorry, what was I doing? Oh yeah, so I needed a timer. So I will actually want elif activation type equals activation. No, actually, you can't be that, can you? Fuck. Oh no, dude. That's annoying. I guess I could just make a physics process in here, but I really don't want to have to call super. Can you... Wait, can I, physics frame, physics process... Can I get a physics callback or something? Is there something like that I can do in Godot? I don't remember. There's something like that, right? I can't have multiple functions run on the same physics process for a node, right? I don't think that's a thing. No, I don't think so. That's fine. I'll do this. Func physics process if activation type is interval. I guess we'll do it. If not interval, we'll just return for now. And rather than interval timer, we will actually have our current interval is 0, and then we'll do 0.5 for now. I'll unhard code this in a second. Actually, no, I won't. I can just add an export. Cool. Current interval is moved toward this to 0 over delta if current interval is less than or equal to 0. Then we will attempt to activate the card. But then that runs into an issue of I need to also check these cooldowns, which means I would probably like to have a function like can activate Turns a boolean. Make sure that we're not on cooldown and we can cast it. And can activate. And then also here. Actually, yeah, that's probably fine. And activate.
Okay, add a little animation for when it drops. It looks pretty nice. Animation.
Is it tween?
What? No, it's just a animation.
Is it just? Or sorry, is it eased? Sorry, not.
Yeah.
What's the easing on that?
Ease out.
Ease out.
So it starts growing really fast and slows down. What we got?
Hello, Nui. Hi, Nui.
Whoa, I just got like 12.
Oh my god, you did. What the hell?
Viewers. What the heck?
But none of them went over to my side. Hello, Nui.
Hello, Nui.
Could you try the animation? Make it ease in out. I'm kind of curious what that would look like.
Yeah,
it might be
hold
terrible,
up. Let me ban all these people first.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Oh
shit. Why are you firing?
Oh wait, like 3 of them are from the same person. I see. Okay, that's fine.
Why is it firing? Oh, oops.
There we go.
And not his attack pressed. 8. Why did it keep firing after the card ended? Fuck.
I still need to finish setting up my VGen thing that I stole from Nui.
That's true.
I was gonna set it up, but then I got a job, and it's like I have so many things to do.
Oh, it's still firing.
I promise I'll get to it someday.
Why is it still firing? Why is it just... What? Am I like going insane?
Probably.
This should have stopped firing like a long time ago.
Yeah, I like how this looks.
Right?
This looks really nice.
I guess...
Yeah, I like it.
Stop attacking. Putting away equals true. Which means that if putting away is true, you should not be able to activate. Right? Yeah. It's going well, Nui. How are you doing? Give me a second. I need to. So if it's not on cooldown, if we can cast it and we're not putting it away, then I believe, hopefully.
You said try ease in out?
Yeah, because I'm just curious about it.
Okay. It doesn't feel that different. What do we do like this?
Do you know what ease in out is?
It's like, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think this looks kind of nice.
It's what?
Like ease out, but like higher or whatever. I don't know. But that looks nice.
It's like, yeah.
It's like, yeah. Sorry.
Okay, buddy.
What did I do?
Telling your parents.
Okay. Whatever.
Hey, you know what? I get to meet your parents next week. That's what's happening.
What?
Yep. I'm asking Jimmy for your address and I'm driving over to your parents'
Brother,
house.
you've literally, like, been to my front door.
Okay, like I fucking remember where the hell that was?
Yeah, like you didn't mark down the location on your map.
On my map, dude. Bro's thinking I'm playing like fucking Breath of the Wild or some shit and I put a stamp down. What the fuck is that?
What's a stamp?
Where's my cursor?
I've never played
Just
Breath
hang
of the
on.
Wild.
Alright, buddy.
Actually, I've never played a Zelda
Where's my
game.
cursor?
Ever.
Where is my cursor? Whatever, dude.
Yeah.
So I don't know why.
Forgot to set your respawn.
Player equipment. So we are discarding
So now
this,
we
and
just
are
need
calling clear card.
the same thing but backwards.
Clear card calls current ability unequip. Unequip does Q3. Okay, that's wrong, but alright. Oh no, clear card gets called, which calls current ability put away. And if there's an attack going through, we still activate.
Did I actually make the reset for that? No, that's right. Okay, sure.
Where?
Sorry.
Static.
Okay. He's out. I think.
I'm gonna just use
Now
one
you
stack.
should be eased in. Well, easing it inly.
Sorry, what is this thing that's being printed out to the screen right now? I don't even remember what the hell you are.
What the hell, you?
Oh, this thing. Yeah, it is that thing. So start attacking is being called in both the function activate and the function physics process. What? Or no, sorry, basic equipment. Oh, the physics process of the equipment is calling start attacking, which is calling activate. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We're done. Essentially. No, we're not done. What? Why is that firing that infrequently? Okay, hold on. So the issue was, so we went, started attacking, and then every single physics process we activated. That's great and all, but I don't understand why. Should this not have been set to put away not get called? Am I like dumb? Console.print putting away? Shark. Oh no, because this gets overwritten. Oh, this gets overwritten, I bet, by the... Yep, there it is. Sword, this thing. Yeah. Shit. I guess for now I will just do putting away equals true.
Okay, well now it also plays a little animation when it runs out. Can be improved. Oop, I forgot to disable rotation. So they can flip upside down. It's kind of funny.
Holy. We should add physics-based things to our game. Like,
There already are.
just like completely, no, like platforms that you have to just hope that the physics works.
No, it's not a good idea. Have you seen, what's it called? Game. Made in Godot.
I've seen a few of those, yeah.
In development. What is it called?
Mm-hmm.
Something Cosmos. It's made by Tebow. Tebow, I think is his name.
Oh, that worked. Okay, nice.
What is it called? I forget what it's called.
I don't know. Do you guys have any advice on how to find people that are interested in making games like you? Join a Discord server. Join some Discord community. Post your things that you're working on there. Talk to people. Post on social media platforms like Twitter, Blue Sky, YouTube, TikTok. You can go to Reddit if you want. Mainly just like get involved in communities and then talk to people, and you will naturally find people that mesh with you and that are interested in making games.
I started working with Biddy because I joined his Discord server, so
yeah,
that's true. Any sign.
He did just join my Discord server one day and was like,
hello,
yo, hello, hi, hi.
Can I not find this? What is...
Why can I...
Yeah, there's lots of cool people there. That are all very cool.
Wait, why is this not...
It's called Wild Cosmos. 2, 3. Sorry. It's like a physics-based 3D platformer. And it's like a Mario Galaxy style where it's like planets and stuff like that. But it's like everything's like... There's a bunch of physics-based like platforms and cool stuff. I played the demo for it. It was really sick. And he's making it in Godot. He's pretty cool. He's French, so that's the only downside.
Ah, tragedy. Why the fuck?
But besides that, he's really cool. And he also streams like sometimes. But I think he mostly streams like earlier in the day because like France or whatever.
Yeah.
Sorry, I should stop saying the F word.
Please do not continue saying the F word. Is attack cooldown? Sorry, I just saw that this was in here. This isn't being used right now. So why? Why exactly is this happening? Let me think about this for a moment, because I have an issue, which is like this shoots very like consistent, but if I double tap, it shoots slightly faster. It's not as fast as I can click. It's like kind of quick, but like not that.
We're gonna make it like Gungeon, where if you manually press it on some guns, you can shoot it faster.
We could, but I don't want to do that. Unless it's like unless it's like a wide enough window that doesn't feel like frame perfect. Oh, is it based on the card cooldown? It is. Oh my god, it is. I know what it is. Never mind, I got it.
Okay. Good job.
Thanks, dude. Current interval. This thing. You should not be based on this. It should be based on the card cooldown.
We could have a revolver card. We should make it like the R8.
What?
If you hold it down, it's like high accuracy, but if you press it really fast, it's... Oh. SD gun. I need to re-add that to my loadout.
No, you don't.
I do. I don't even remember what I swapped it for. They should just let you use every gun. I don't know why they don't. It's kind of lame. There we go. If you want to look, I have animations for popping up and making it small again.
Give me a momentum real quick. Cooldown. Use cooldown. Oh, cooldown is this. Is it not just called cooldown? Can I not just do like card.cooldown? Where are you getting this from, dude?
If I disable monitoring on an area, will that if something's inside of it, will that count as a body exiting?
find out. I believe so.
Okay.
I'm fairly certain, but I don't know. I usually disable the collision shape, which does count.
Okay, well, I've done that before, and I've had issues with that.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was more with enabling, because on some of the old attacks, I would enable the collision shape to attack, and that would, if something was inside of it while it was enabled, it like wouldn't trigger sometimes. I'm not sure if that is still an issue. I'll just try monitoring, whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. I prefer to disable shape, but I don't think it particularly matters. So whichever one works,
Okay.
Is what matters, I guess. Should I don't know why that put that an else statement there. That makes no sense. This should work, hopefully. So I can't hold down left click to swing with my regular attack. However, let's just say for funsies, for shits and giggles, what if I were to go to the player TSCM? Default attack, let's set you to interval. You don't work anymore. Quite cool. Cool, that actually just doesn't work. Do attack.
He's being physics-based is actually kind of funny. Being able to like bounce them around.
I'm actually like kind of confused on this. What's the reason of you? Because I want to do funk.
You constant. No, not constant. What is it? Deactivation, that's what I want. Lock rotation. Yeah, that's weird.
So
I think those look pretty nice.
actually, I will do this. I'll
Maybe
get
it's
over
gonna
it.
be a little more subtle, but whatever. Does Gungeon scale the enemy's health based on the level? I think it does, right? No?
Maybe.
I thought it did.
Well, actually, yeah, it does. Technically. Because I think there are, yeah. The enemies have more health as the levels go on, but I don't think the basic enemies get more HP. Why is this?
I thought they did.
I
thought like the regular bullet guys had more health in the later levels.
Shouldn't. I don't think. Oh god. Why does that do that?
This is really fun to use now. It is interesting because it's like trading half your mana for like increased charge rate. I definitely think the time that exists to be longer. I set it for like 10 seconds and it like feels like no time at all. You barely have time for your mana to recharge above the 50 that it costs to use it. Uh-oh. Wait, I ran into the close to the situation that you said where I had 4 cards that were just the little projector thing, but I forgot it's bugged and I can just use them whenever. I don't need to have the mana for them.
Why is it doing this? Am I like...
Oh, it's also duplicating my pistols? Yeah, it's duplicating my pistols.
What? It's duplicating your pistols?
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I started with just 1 and now I have 3. I think. I'm pretty sure I just added 1. I'm almost certain I just added 1. Is there a way to like view your deck?
Yeah, if you press escape.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then go to the deck page, which is the first one. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's definitely adding more.
That might actually be something I've fixed already, I think. So sorry, what did you do? You just added a pistol.
Yeah, and then I just played the game.
Ah, okay.
I did shoot that guy.
Ignore that.
What the?
Ignore that.
What is going on there?
Yeah, I think that's something that I fixed. I don't remember exactly what caused it, but I do believe that it's something that I fixed. What's going on there is I fucked up.
Cool. Also, yeah, one thing we'll probably want to change is the card showing the like overlay thing, the charge overlay in the menu. That's like,
yeah, that's also
a do a lot of menu stuff. I literally just saw it on your screen.
Did you? Oh, oops, yeah. Why is this?
Did you see how this card's looking though? The visuals that I added?
Give me a second, and I will take a look. Start attacking. If you can activate, great. So if we can't activate, is on cooldown, is based on this thing, which is based on the card. Sure, but you don't have a card, so yours should be based on this. And current cooldown is not being set here. There we go. Okay, cool. So now, like for example, if I were to set this like 0.1, and this should also be set to single. I don't know why it's not set to.
What do you mean it's 9 o'clock already? What the heck?
Wait, why is this going off?
I might not be streaming for a whole lot longer because my hand. But I mean, what else?
Yeah, no, I get it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just weak. Might try icing it a little bit, see if that helps. I don't know. I want to work.
What?
I'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow, and maybe I'll try to get up and work. I struggle to get work done when it's not a stream day. I like sit down and I'm like, I need to do something, and then I don't do anything.
Wait, what? Am I like smoking crack? Oh my god, this should be an ore.
I started playing with Godot yesterday. Bless your game dev soul. Thank you. Fortunately, so real.
There we go. Okay, now this is.
Please don't call me insane, but I genuinely forgot what I said and what you're referring to. Oh yes, I was talking about working. Yeah, that was it. Not crack.
Not crack.
Oh, okay.
I found it.
So wait, what were we talking about?
There we go. Okay, not that this is the way we want it to be, but this does work the way that I expect it to. Cool.
The lion does not concern himself with short-term memory loss.
The lion does not concern himself with a worrying amount of brain fog and memory loss in the last few years.
Yeah, that one.
My tutorial videos.
His tutorial videos are amazing. I use pretty much everything he was. Okay, maybe not every tutorial video. Some of them are terrible. Just kidding. But at least a couple of them, I still use the exact same concepts in the game that we are working on.
Yeah, like we literally
have the exact same state machine and the component system. His health and like attack example from the component system was and I think is still how we handle attacks in this.
Yeah, kind of. There's like a bunch of shit.
For the most part, there's we added a lot of stuff. You two are basically soulmates. Okay.
I literally fucking told you this the other fucking day. And you guys were like, dude, nobody said shit like that in chat. And then someone the first stream after literally does.
No, we actually hate each other though, by the way.
No, we are not soulmates. We are friends.
Yeah, we just hate each other.
But no, I do hate him. This is true. Okay, I have this set up, JW, if you want to take a look.
Oh, I will take a look. Well, you didn't look at my thing. Whatever.
Oh yeah, you're right. Show me your thing. Go on, man.
Okay. Look at this.
I'm not looking. I'm looking over my chat.
Oh, okay. It goes
like, what's up?
Bleh.
Oh, it goes like what?
Oh, it goes like, didn't say.
Okay, yeah.
It's like bleh. And then after 10 seconds, it'll go like seconds. Whip.
Whoa, it went bleh.
Whip. And disappear. Magic. Anyways,
he has no idea about the visual gag I just did on my screen. Okay, what?
Oh, did you make the fouet really big?
I made the fouet really big, and I moved it around following the bubbles.
Ah, okay, that's pretty cool.
Excuse me, because you went bleh. Okay, what? Sorry, what?
Like, you were gonna show me whatever you were doing?
Yeah, so... Excuse me, ideally, if you wanted to have a card that just fires every now and then, so you could do like
every now and then.
Yeah, so like whenever you're holding down left click, it goes like pop 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 like this. I'm just holding left click. Obviously, that's not going to be the way for this. But to do that, I still want to refine a few things and make them more consistent. But there is this thing here, activation type. So you can change this to interval. And you can either use this attack interval. I might actually remove this because it's on the card. So I think we'll probably just use the card.
Okay.
Cooldown.
Yeah.
Which it does use the card cooldown if there is a cooldown, but I might just remove that. But yeah, it's just change this to interval so that you can kind of hold it down.
Interesting.
So like if I were to spawn in a pistol right now, I don't know if it's actually going to do it because I changed it, but I don't know if it's going to now. So I actually have to restart. So I held down left click there.
Okay.
And you didn't see anything, but
yeah.
I will see that it shoots.
That's kind of sick.
Yeah. The other thing as well is if you hold down left click and it goes out of mana, it will fire the second it can.
Ooh, I like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I've said like similar things before, but it does feel kind of weird to have to wait so long like between shots like that when you're low on mana. But again, I think that's another thing where it's like that should feel bad because that's like you shouldn't have that low mana. You should do something about this.
Yeah.
Like obviously you don't want to have
give feedback on it in the playtest.
Yeah.
There's things that I feel weird about the mana system. It's not super clear that it's being spent. The mana's up here, but the card is down here, so you kind of have to look at the mana up here and the card down here, and they're
that's
kind of in
true.
two different spots because you have to see the
Oh,
charges.
yeah, actually
here
having it
and
over there on the right side might not actually be a bad idea.
You mean the left side?
The right side. It's currently on the left side.
Are you talking about moving the mana to the right?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were talking about moving the card to the left.
No, you.
Yeah.
Maybe visual confirmation of next shot availability. We do kind of have that. It's like it grays out and then it ungrays out.
It actually blues out, but yeah. Because it goes blue.
What do you mean it goes blue?
It goes blue. What do you mean, what do I mean? It goes slightly blue.
That's not blue. That's gray.
Yeah, that's blue. You see that? That's blue.
That's not blue.
Are you the one with mana? Do you know about mana?
That's not blue.
This doesn't know about mana, I think. No. Does it know about modulate? It does. So it actually is slightly blue, as you can see. 0.3, 0.3, 0.4.
That's still gray. That's
This is
just
blue?
bluish gray.
Yeah, but it's blue.
No, it's not. That's gray. Gray is usually kind of blue anyways. Like if you're picking a good gray color. That is not blue. That's gray.
It is blue.
That's
gray. You see where it is on the thing? You see? Dude, look at that. That's literally blue-gray.
The hue could be on orange and it can be tan. That's not how that works. That's tan. That's not orange.
That's tan?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that color? What is this color?
Like olive.
Olive? No.
That's gray.
I wouldn't call that gray. I would call
gray.
anything on this gray.
No.
I would call anything on this gray.
That is a gray.
What did you say this was?
That is gray.
Alright, man. Whatever the fuck you say. Oh, that updates in code. What the fuck?
If you look at the swatch.
Ooh. Yo.
If you look at the swatches. Oh, nice. It just doesn't have them there.
Yeah, give me a sec. I gotta... Okay.
Look at the bottom ones there. What color are those?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what those colors are. What are they?
They're like an olive. They're kind of green.
No, that's... They're not even green. They are... According to your definition, those are blue. Those are very clearly
kind of green.
Yeah, they get more green. It's called hue shifting.
It's called hue shifting.
I fucking hate artists, man. I hate these fucking creatures.
See, I told you we hate each other.
Rewind 45 minutes.
Minus 45. I don't think anybody will ever understand that, but it's okay.
Look at these shots, dude. Wow.
Like an old couple. Okay. Alright. Minus 45.
Let's see. So yeah, that should be something that you can change. Make that interval and it will just automatically call this function will be called automatically every time the interval passes. And it will handle things such as unequipping, equipping, and so on. And you shouldn't have to do anything more than you want to, hopefully. There's a bunch of things I'm doing in here that'll probably be removed because we're doing projectiles now. Like, we don't need to do all this ray casting shit. Pull out weapon is the spin animation. This is the visuals. This is the actual shot.
Oh yeah, one question I wanted to ask is, do we think there's any situation in which we'll want a card that isn't a weapon or an equipment card to be held down? I'm guessing probably not. Because also that would be weird.
How would that work?
That would, yeah, that would not happen ever.
Because the way that we select it is we have like our list of cards and then we hold right click to pick one and then we let go to select the card. So this doesn't do anything
so that
else.
would
I should lock though.
Yeah, yep. So no, it should not.
So yeah, there's literally no way to do that. You use it and then it uses it.
Yep.
That
was just me.
So no, I don't think so. Unless if we did want to do that, it would require a lot of work, or not a lot of work. It would require shifting things around.
Yes.
So I'm not going to
we
code
don't
knowing
need
that
to
that's
do.
going to be a thing. Because
Yeah,
it's
no,
not
that
going to
definitely wouldn't be a thing.
likely.
That was just something I thought about, and then
Yep.
when I thought about it, it was like, that's dumb. We would.
It's a good question to ask though.
Anything
Oh,
else?
that's buggy.
What's buggy?
This. I'm actually not pressing anything right now because of the way that I have my input bound. Is I also bound scroll up to swing, and scrolling up once triggers a pressed event, but it doesn't trigger the released event.
Oh, that's really funny.
I know what I can do. Yeah, I know what I can do. I can just go into play real quick.
We should keep that in there so that way, if people bind it to up on the scroll wheel, they can have an infinite attack that will just automatically use every single card as soon as it's selected.
No, because that's a detriment to people who bind things to scroll wheel. And I'm someone who does that.
You're gross.
Fuck you. You know what? For the end of the stream, you're getting replaced.
What?
Yep, there you go.
Am I a fouet now?
No, you're not a fouet. Fouet's in front of you.
Oh. I'm not even the fouet.
JW erasure.
Yeah.
What was I gonna do? I wanted to check if this was attacking. So start attacking does this.
Oh, well,
start attacking is that. Attack pressed is
now that I yapped for a
true.
few minutes, my thumb stopped hurting. That's good.
That's crazy, dude.
It's weird. It's like I do something, I stop thinking about it for like 2 minutes, then it stops hurting.
Yep.
Crazy how that
I
works.
just released it, or
still might try icing it a little bit after we finish
attacking?
streaming.
I guess that should be a function.
Oh, do I have any good
here.
sounds for this? I bet the Kenny digital sounds might actually have some good ones, or sci-fi sounds. These are all gonna be awful.
Is
Force field 0. Ooh, that sounds bad. Ooh, that sounds really bad. Ooh, that sounds really bad. Ugh, that sounds really bad.
brother.
Ugh, that one also sounds really bad. Sorry. Sorry. Impact sounds? No, digital sounds? Wow, Kenny really got like the worst sounds on the planet. Like, genuinely, he was using any of these sounds for anything.
Oh, that breaks still because of... Yeah, I know what that's doing. I understand, kinda.
Do I have a good sound for this? Whatever this sound is. I think I'm already using that. What about this? Ooh, that sounds terrible. Maybe we do use... Ooh, what about this?
There we go. That works.
Oh, that's a door. Okay.
Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna call stream because I really need to go use the bathroom now.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Well, then I'll figure out making a sound fits later.
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy.
Well,
I
will
got
catch
at
you
least
guys
some
later.
polishing done, and we figured out some mechanic stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, and the ability system is getting closer to being able to be used by you, so it should be good before Thursday stream, so you can plan to make an ability. I'll probably end up talking to you tomorrow about.
Yeah, I want to work
before
tomorrow. I don't have anything tomorrow at all.
Oh well, I'm gonna be at work most of the day, but I mean like.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm
like
talking about like after work. I'll talk to you and. See
yeah, I mean, like I want to try to do some stuff myself tomorrow
sense.
if I can. Hopefully.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. Well, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Really appreciate it. We will be back on Thursday, same time as we streamed today. Will we be doing Jamsepticeye on Thursday? I don't remember.
Oh,
maybe.
I forgot that's a thing. Yeah, we might do that.
We won't be streaming this weekend because we're going to be at a Rivals tournament.
Yeah, that too.
All right. Well, I will catch you guys later. Take care. Be safe. Good night, people.
Might.